Hi, this is Elaine Salamanca from Group 9 of Senior D, here to discuss our project's cover page. The main concept behind this is that the large hand in the middle over here represents us humans that are slowly poisoning the earth, while other elements such as the island, the waves, and the sinking ship are for the purpose of scenery, while the two stick figures over here are our main characters that get stranded on the island after being washed away after the shipwreck. All required conic sections in the rubric were used in our cover, namely parabolas, circles, semicircles, ellipses, and semi-ellipses. In total, we used 242 equations, two of which were not conic sections because they were lines. Over here, used for the arm, and the example of which is there. The most frequently used equation for a conic section was the parabola, with 97 equations in total, with the most equations in one area being 46 equations for the leaves of the palm tree. So here we have 20 plus 3, 23 palm leaves, with each palm leaf containing two parabolas, an example of which is here. So we put a restriction here. So y cannot be below 15 and above 26, so which is here and here. That's how our restriction works. After the parabola, the second is semicircles, which we use 66 times in total. And we use most of them, actually half of them, which is 33 over here for the waves. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to 33 over here. Third of the least frequently used is a circle, used 34 times in total, with the greatest usage being the ones here, the atoms and the flask. So there's 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12 plus 1, 13 circles over here. Second to the last, we have ellipses, used 30 times in total, 22 of them here in the anchor chain. Let me just zoom in so we get a better look. So we have 11 anchor chain links, each link containing 2 ellipses. So yeah, 22. And lastly, we have semi-ellipses used 13 times in total, with the highest number in one area being 6. Somewhere over here, there you go, and the ripples that the toxic waste spill created in the ocean. So while doing this activity, we realized how magical the process was. Like with how with a handful of equations you could draw something you usually wouldn't associate with shapes like semi-ellipses and whatnot. Like with this hand over here. Sorry, let's zoom in again. We use semi-ellipses and parabolas to draw this hand over here. And 5 different equations for parabolas to get the thumb shape to look realistic. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One parabola here and one semi-ellipse here for the thumbnail. Instances like this where we drew something we wouldn't associate with like parabolas helped us realize that conic sections can actually be found everywhere in our daily lives, and we shouldn't take them for granted. Also, we came to the conclusion that drawing using conic sections and their equations, like here in desmos, is actually a form of art, and how accurate the shapes are drawn using the equations gives drawing using like desmos an advantage over drawing by hand, since drawing circles and semi-ellipses and such conic sections is way harder when done manually. Okay, that is all. Thank you.